Okay, we are on number 2 na. Example problem number 2. Y is equal to 4 times arc cosine of x minus 10 times arctan of x. By solution, by applying the constant multiple theorem. So, i-apply muna natin yung constant multiple theorem kapag binigyan tayo ng ganyang problem. Okay? So, constant multiple theorem, we can write this as dy over dx equal to derivative of your 4 times arc cosine of x plus it's minus pala. It's minus 10 arctan of x. Okay? So dy over dx is equal to the derivative of your 4 arc cosine of x plus, it's minus, forgot, minus 10 derivative of your 10 arctan of x. Okay? So, isolate all the constant. Dy over dx is equal to 4 times the derivative of your arc cosine of x minus 10 the derivative of your arctan of x. Okay? So we need to apply the differentiation of inverse trigonometric kasi we already have your trigonometric functions. So let's solve. Okay, wait lang. Let's copy muna para makita natin yung dinerive ay yung sinolve natin kanina sa introduction. Tangent, inverse trigonometric functions. Here, going to copy this one. Yan. Copy. Then we are on number 2. Right? Going to paste here. I forgot. Going to paste here. Okay? Para may reference tayo. So, let's solve. Dy, where's my pen? Dy over dx is equal to 4 times the derivative of cosine is times negative of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared minus 10 times the derivative of tangent, where is tangent? It's 1 times 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay? So let's try to solve this. Dy over dx is equal to negative 4 divided by 1 minus x squared minus 10 times 10 over 1 plus x squared. Okay? That is our final answer. Ano yan? Okay? So let's add some shape. Okay? Diba? Sobrang dali lang. So next is next sample 3. Sample 3. Since we have here y is equal to square root of x arc secant of x times arc secant of x. So ang gagawin natin dito kapag ganyan, that is under a product rule of differentiation ang gagawin natin muna. So let's use this is an product rule, okay, to differentiate this. So we can write this as y is equal to square root of x times arc secant of x. Let's assume that this is equal to your f of x and this one is to your g of x. Okay, sorry. Okay. Since product rule, di ba? Kapag product rule, pwede naman to f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of your f of x. Okay? Let's differentiate d over dx of y is equal to f of x. So you have square root of x times the derivative of your g of x, which is arc secant of x, plus g of x arc secant of x times the derivative of your f of x, which is square root of x. Okay? dy over dx is equal to square root of x square root of x times the derivative of arc secant, derivative of arc secant of x is, punta tayo dun sa table natin again. Let's copy our table na lang. This is under the chain rule counterpart. Okay? Derivative of your secant x. Nasaan yun? Secant. Sige. Dun na lang tayo. Chain rule pa rin ang copy natin. Dun tayo sa inverse trigonometric functions. Ito. Ayan. So, your secant x derivative, ito. We're going to use that. Magawin natin kulay. This is times 1 divided by absolute value of x times square root of x squared minus 1. Okay? plus arcsecond of x. Derivative, so this one, the radical sign, we can write this as x raised to 1/2. So the derivative of x raised to 1/2 is equal to times 1/2 of x raised to 1/2 minus 1. Okay? Ganyan lang. So, let's simplify our term. So, dy over dx, but I think wala dapat. Dy over dx is equal to square root of x times the absolute value of x times square root of x squared minus 1. Okay? Plus arcsecond of x, arcsecond of x times, we can bring down kasi magiging negative yung exponent niyan, x over 2x raised to 1/2. Okay? So, simplifying this term, we will get dy over dx equals to square root of x times the absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1 plus arcsecond of x times x divided by 2 square root of x. Okay. I'm sorry. I think this is 1 pala. Okay? I forgot. Ito pala guys. Na-overlook ko. This is 1. So, second x divided by 2 square root of x. This is your final answer. Diba? Madali lang. Final answer. And we need to add shape. Yan. Okay. Let's try to solve situation number 4. Example number 4. So, you have your tawag dito, y is equal to arc cosine of 5x. So, base pa lang dyan sa natin, sa given, we can conclude na gagamit tayo agad ng chain rule, counterpart. So, we need to use the chain rule counterpart of inverse trigonometric functions to differentiate y is equal to arc cosine of u. Okay? Kasi ito, this is y arc cosine of u, which is ito siya. Okay? So let's try to solve. Let u, we can let u is equal to 5x. Okay. Y is equal to y is equal to arc cosine of 5x. Y is equal to arc cosine of u. Okay. So differentiate each both side of equation with respect to x. D over dx of y, equal to derivative of your arc cosine of u, okay, times the derivative of your u. Tama ba? Okay. So, dy over dx is equal to d over du of arc cosine u, derivative of your 5x. Okay. So, applying our chain rule counterpart, arc cosine u is equal to negative 1 divided by square root of 1 minus u squared times the derivative of your u, which is your 5x. dy over dx is equal to negative 1 square over 1 square root of 1 minus u squared times 5. Derivative of 5x is 5. Okay? So, applying, substitute na natin, simplify this one. Dito na natin ilagay siguro. dy over dx is equal to negative 1 divided by square root of 1 minus 5x squared times 5. Okay? dy over dx is equal to negative 1 divided by square root of 1 minus 25x squared times 5. So, we can simplify this as negative 5 all over 1 minus 25x squared. This is your final answer. Ay, sorry. This is your final answer. Okay? Last example. Copy natin ulit to. Okay? Last example. Again, we have y is equal to arc cosine of arc cosecant of 3x plus 2. So we can write this in the form of y is equal to cosecant, arc cosecant of u. Ayan. So we let u This is equal to 3x plus 2. So, ang gagawin natin, write again, of 3x plus 2. So, y is equal to r cosecant of u. Okay? So, differentiate both side of equation with respect to x. D over dx of y equal to d over dx of arc cosecant of u times derivative of your u. Okay? dy over dx is equal to d over du of arc cosecant of u times the derivative of your 3x plus 2. Okay? So, arc cosecant, ito yun. Yan ang gagamitin natin. So, let's simplify dy over dx is equal to negative 1 divided by absolute value of u times the square root of x squared minus 1 times the derivative of 3x plus 2. Okay? So, dy over dx equal to negative 1. Your u, yun natin is 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 square root of x. Sorry, it's u squared pala, hindi x squared. Oh my. And it's u squared. Okay? Times the square root of 3x plus 2 squared minus 1 times derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3. Okay? So, let's expand this 3x plus 2. Let's expand 3x plus 2 squared. Okay? So, magiging 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2. So, this is equal to 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Okay? Okay? So, simplify this. Dy over dx is equal to negative 3 divided by absolute value of 3x plus 2 times the square root of 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 minus 1. So, simplifying, we'll have dy over dx equal to negative 3 all over absolute value of 3x plus 2 times the square root of 9x squared plus 12x plus 3. This is your final answer.